This is my client Bridget, who was able to go up over 200 points on her credit scores, as well as obtain a $400,000 house on a half-acre land lot and get her dream Range Rover car, all within less than a year.
Hey, my name is Bridget. I've been working with Danielle at Heart 800 Credit Solutions for the last 9 months. I did do my part, what she advised me in improving my credit, able to obtain this house. Closed on it April the 1st. Also, I was able to sign and drive away in a Range Rover, a $70,000 car. I do let you know that Heart 800 Credit Solutions do work. Just have to follow her advice and check your email because that's where it goes to. But just trust the process. And this is the car in front of the house. And this is the house on a half an acre. So now I am going to put my trust in her in building up my credit business, even though I've been doing it a little bit, but I still need some help. So please contact Danielle at Heart 800 Credit Solutions.
If you want to have results like Bridget, DM me today so we can get started right away.